Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best 4K drones without spending a fortune? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026. From beginner-friendly options to advanced GPS drones with gimbals, these picks offer amazing features at unbeatable prices. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Lenovo A26 Pro Drone. The Lenovo A26 Pro is a feature-packed 4K drone with a triple camera setup, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance technology. It also features a foldable design for easy portability. This drone is built for users who want versatility and multiple camera angles. The obstacle avoidance adds extra safety, while the brushless motors ensure stable and quiet performance. Pros: triple camera system for versatile shooting, brushless motors for smooth flight, obstacle avoidance for safer flying, foldable and portable design. A great option for beginners and casual users who want multi-angle shooting and safety features at a budget price. Number 2. L600 Pro SE GPS Drone. The L600 Pro SE comes with dual HD cameras, GPS positioning, 5G Wi-Fi, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also features brushless motors for better performance. This drone is popular for its stable GPS flight and smooth controls. The dual camera setup gives flexibility, while the 5G connection helps with real-time video transmission. Pros: GPS for stable hovering and return to home, 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, smooth performance with brushless motors, good FPV transmission with 5G Wi-Fi, a solid mid-range drone for users who want GPS stability and reliable performance at a reasonable price. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. This drone is a lightweight drone under 249 grams featuring 4K HDR video, 8K photos, and a 3-axis gimbal. It also supports AI tracking, night shooting, and up to 10 kilometers transmission range. This is the most premium drone on the list, offering smooth cinematic footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. The AI features and long range make it perfect for serious content creators. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for stable cinematic video, 4K HDR video and 8K photo capability, long 10-kilometer transmission range, lightweight and travel-friendly, advanced AI tracking features. The best choice for users who want professional quality footage and advanced features. Number 4. L600-1 Pro MAX. This drone features a 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also supports 5G Wi-Fi for FPV flying. The L600-1 Pro MAX delivers smooth and stable footage, making it ideal for capturing cinematic shots. The GPS and obstacle avoidance make flying easier and safer. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for stable video, GPS-assisted flight features, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, strong overall performance. A great pick for users who want stable footage and reliable GPS features at a reasonable price. Number 5. SX1 Max GPS Drone. This drone comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K/8K camera, and up to 5,000 meters FPV range. It also includes a remote controller with built-in screen and multiple batteries. This drone is perfect for users who want a complete package. The built-in screen on the controller eliminates the need for a smartphone, making it very convenient. Pros: controller with built-in display, 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, long FPV range, comes with multiple batteries, an excellent all-in-one solution for users who want convenience and extended flight time. That's our list of the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or content creator, there's a drone here that fits your needs and budget. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top tech lists and reviews.